Welcome to channel guys. Look at this. Now I will show you how to make this step by step. Only two main things are required for this. They are empty pen and rubber band. First separate the parts of the pen like this. After that wrap the rubber band on the top edge of the pen like this. Step is take the inside pen tube and make a cut like this. After few easy steps we are done. Now we can try this. Try it and comment the experience.